full picture of their future. First, Ubuntu. What is Ubuntu? Ubuntu means I am because we are. Without your success, there's no me. It's kind of like the bayanihan we have here in the Philippines. So it can be shown here in the festival that they work together to produce something great. It's very vibrant, right? And very colorful. You can see here in the picture. Okay, so next we have the communication custom. The communication custom of this country is very simple, yet unique. Why? As you can see in the picture, she kiss with a smile. Why? Because you greet someone with a smile and shake their hand with your right hand on your left because it's considered unclean. It's very rude to use your left hand. Someone might say, that's very rude, please don't talk to me, okay? So next, craft and artistry. The craft and artistry of this country is very diverse. Why? Because there's a lot of clans. There are many clans in this country, and each clan has a specific art form that makes them very unique. Okay, you can see here we have a jar, cloth, and beads. Okay, speaking of clans, we have clans here. There are about 52 known clans in Uganda. And each clan here has a very specific belief and tradition, and it can be shown here that they have each different clothing. Why? Because they have very different attire and beliefs. Also, some clans have a rule that you cannot marry someone from the same clan. Okay, now we're going to talk about food. Now, they have two food here that I've shown in the PowerPoint presentation. First, we have the matoke and the luombo. Matoke is a common food that you can eat every day, breakfast, lunch. However, luombo is a special occasion type of meal, can be special events. For example, marriage. Speaking of marriage, we have Kwanjulu. Kwanjulu is a pre-marriage ceremony wherein the bride introduces the groom to her parents, and then her parents meets the parents of the groom. So it's a big gathering wherein the parents of both parties meet each other in this huge gathering. They eat delicious foods such as the luombo that was shown earlier. Now this is the dark side of their culture. Now, in the past, we once did cannibalism wherein some believed that eating other people's body parts or flesh can actually heal their diseases, which doctor even said that eating other people's body parts would actually give them some sort of spiritual power. Okay, next is this is even more disturbing than the last one. Why? Because there are many articles that suggest that this is happening in the modern age. Very, very disturbing as the mutilated bodies are used to offer to get wealth, power, and health. Okay, then it's also used for them to ward off misfortunes. Okay, so this is very disturbing. Next, child sacrifice. These are the main target of the witch doctors because they are pure, children are pure. In the mid-2000, they said that there was a rise in child sacrifice, gaining international attention. Because of that, the authorities do their best to catch perpetrators. However, through the secrecy of act, it's impossible. That's all. Thank you, everybody, for listening. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the next guest speaker for today, the engineer, David Vince.